Let's take it over to Texas, where Jared Levy, the chief market strategist at Peak American Financial, is good to go. Jared, the stock market had that big sell-off earlier, but wow, traders were so quick to get right back into tech.
They do. And this sort of risk on thing, right? I mean, it's still there. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not on the Fed's going to make everything okay bandwagon. I'm not a total bear here, and sort of the correction we saw, I think there is some buying opportunity. I do think we've got to tread lightly. Again, my concerns here over the next couple of weeks specifically are, what's the news flow going to look like? We just came out of Q2 earnings season. Earnings are declining. We're looking for those to change by Q4. We're looking for growth to return. My question is, where does it come from? Lots of consumer debt. And again, this AI phenomenon, who's really going to benefit? So I think we really need to start to get a magnifying glass and look at these companies in more detail instead of just using the halo effect and saying, oh, it's tech, buy it because they've probably got something to do with AI. I think we got to be careful there.
What would you buy? What's your trade of the day?
Gosh, I'm really looking right now, and again, I'm a little scaredy cat sometimes. So I'm moving into consumer staples. I'm looking at believe it or not, the XLP consumer staples ETF. I think that it's been battered and bruised as it's been risk on, so I'm kind of sneaking in there. And then my twofer, I'm also looking at infrastructure. So using the iShares US Infrastructure ETF, IFRA, because I do believe that if we're going to spend our way out of this, and the places we're going to spend it still has to be infrastructure, both our roads, our bridges, and more importantly, like all the stuff up there, the wires and the cellular data, folks need their connectivity, and America's connectivity is meh. So I think that's an area we're going to continue to see gravitation.
Always good to get in early.
100%.
Thank you, Jared.
Thank you so much, Angie. Great to see you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.